Hello, what's up guys? And nandito ako sa pintuan namin ngayon. And nandito din yung aso namin. And as you see, they playing sounds din. Habang yung magulang ko, well, natutulog sila ngayon. At yung dalawang kapatid naman ay ayon. Nasa kwarto namin at well, ang ginagawa nila ay nagsiselfon syempre. Anyway guys, hope hindi kayo mabutter na malabo yung camera ko kasi yung lighting dito madilim talaga at itinaas ko lang yung ISO level, so low resolution siya, hindi siya maganda for capturing recordings, but it's almost good. It's almost good naman. So by the way guys, I'm kind of person, I'm not gusto ko lang linawin, I'm not LARPing. In my term, LARPing is what you call to person if person is trying to pretend they are best version, or they trying to pretend they owning that character, or just acting na bumabagay sa kanya yung characters niya. Anyway, nakuha ko lang yung term sa Google. Anyway guys, ayun lang, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. And yung ginawa ko ngayon, well, nanood lang ako ng Chinese drama. Well, sobrang sikat kasi nun sa bansa namin, especially this 2026, yung mga drama na napapanood natin sa Facebook or sa mga reels. So okay lang kasi honestly may Tagalog version natututo ako doon sa personality, pananaw nila, at saka doon sa fictional fantasy and appealing life na meron yung mga main character sa drama. Syempre sobrang inspiring nun. Hindi lang yon, napapagpulutan ko rin ng aral kung paano sila makipag-conversation, yung mga definition ng words, yung definition kung paano mag-react, yung mga words na ginagamit nila para makategorize yung mga senaryo sa buhay, mga situational events, paano mag-react sa mga ganun ng tama at more smarter. So anyway, I'm kind of person that I'm still learning on my own. I like learning new vocabulary, new pronunciations, but I can say I'm not good on English as on academics, but I can understand some English na natutunan ko through my life. About being fluent naman, I'm not sure about that, kung fluent man ako magsalita or kung ano mang character yung ina-appear ko, kung nag-appear ba akong what character para sa inyo. Well, I'm not totally aware that. Beside that, I'm just being human. I don't putting reasons with things because it's too much to think about and that is overwhelming. I'm just literally living, showing my natural self, showing what I've been educated with. I am just showing kung ano yung mga nalalaman ko, mga naunawaan ko sa mundo, mga nakuha ko din knowledge online. Well, it's rendered me. It's rendered my whole character. So yeah. Anyway guys, I don't have signature or something unique about me. I'm thinking na average lang naman ako at katulad din ako sa ibang mga tao. Kagaya na lang sa pagkukumpara na ang langgam na yun ay tulad din sa ibang mga langgam. Parang ganun. We are just nobodies here. You know. But we all have bad things. We have phone. We have clothes. We have all things we had in this lifetime, you know. It's just up to me, up to you to decide what you try to do on this existence, you know. And for me, I'm trying to show myself as better version of me, a version of me that more aware with things, more, I can't say I'm on a high standard. I'm just saying na I'm living on basic way, basic if possible, basic personality, basic styles, and I'm comfortable with being basic as me, you know. So maraming salamat. I do appreciate this lifetime and appreciate what I'm doing and what I'm great with on this lifetime. So, thank you sa pakikipag-chat sa akin. Wala pa naman ako may topic so far. Some analysis lang tungkol sa buhay ko. Well, some things na alam kong totoo sa akin. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And hope you enjoy your very life as I do too. As kung paano ko din ginagawa yun. So maraming salamat and see ya sa ating next video.